Hey guys, so we are starting the last 6 weeks, where I gave you guys an extra week on that 12 weeks test. It's put us a little bit behind, so we're going to have to crunch to get everything done. But the last 6 weeks is Unit 4. There are 16 objectives. You will notice that a lot of these objectives say SUPP in parentheses or SUP. That stands for supplemental. All you have to do in the supplementals is learn the vocabulary words. There's no activities or quizzes. You just have to know the vocabulary words. So we will do like 4 or 5 lessons in a week, but because there's not much to these, it's not a lot of work. Some of you have requested to work ahead so you can get done early. I've gone ahead and opened it up through 4.08. 4.01, we start is all about promotion. And there are a lot of notes in 4.01, so make sure you give yourself enough time to do that. But all the notes in 4.01 cover objectives 401 through 405. So those notes cover a lot. Also in 4.01, you start your Big 3 project that is due the 13th. So you get 2 weeks to do your movie project. And what you'll do is there's a template for that project. Let me go back. Let me show you that page. So if you go down to the upcoming movie project, here is the template. You click on it, it'll have you to make a copy, and it's a Google slideshow. You will want to vamp it up to make it match the movie of your choice. It's just a plain outline at this point, but it has what goes on each slide, how to get people interested, publicity stunts, and you'll put all that in there. To make that easy. So what you'll do is you will click on this link and it takes you here, and it has all the movies for the summer, and you'll pick a movie between June, July, and August, and you will create a promotion package for that movie. You have to create a one sheet is what we call it, but it's those big posters that go up in the movie theater that you see when you go in the movies. So you're going to create the slideshow using the template and the one sheet that will be displayed at the movie theater. And I've given you a lot of information on how movies are promoted and that sort of thing. Here's everything that goes into that slide document. Everything you have to give me. Be as detailed as possible. Here's where you turn it in. And so this is your project 3. This is my favorite project because I love movies, and promoting movies is such a huge endeavor to do. So when we look at the calendar, you're going to do 401 and 402 this week. Then we're going to go to 4.03, I think, and 404, maybe 405. So make sure that you are keeping up with the calendar. 401 and 402 are due Monday. Your movie project is due the 13th, along with 403, 404, and 405. We're doing 4 objectives for the 20th, 3 for the 27th, and then 3 for 3 for the 10th. So you'll be doing that. Make sure you keep up with your calendar. This 6 weeks is going to go by really fast. Don't let it sneak up on you. You've got to get this work in, especially you seniors, because you're graduating before the end of the 6 weeks. You're graduating on the 7th or 8th, and the 6 weeks isn't over until the 11th, so you've got to make sure you get this work in early. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, or text me, or Remind app, or whatever, email me and let me know. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon.